अब मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी मिस हिमाक्षी तलवार को। हिमाक्षी तलवार इंडियन स्कूल से आज हमारे बीच मौजूद हैं, अपना वक्तव्य अंग्रेजी भाषा में प्रस्तुत करेंगी।
Give me blood and I promise you freedom. I'm sure this famous slogan resonates with each one of us present here. Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Himakshi Talwar of the Indian School, stand before you to commemorate the birth of one of India's greatest freedom fighters, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. On this special day, we honor his immense contribution to our country's independence and reflect on his indomitable spirit, which continues to inspire millions across the world. Born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha, Netaji's life was a testament to his unwavering dedication and indomitable spirit, which continues to inspire millions across the world. Netaji's journey began as a brilliant student, but his heart was always set on freeing India from British rule. He joined the Indian National Congress and quickly rose above the ranks, becoming a prominent leader. However, his radical ideas and determination to achieve complete independence set him apart from others. He was a visionary and a leader who dared to dream big and challenge the status quo. Netaji was not only a military leader but also a skilled strategist. In 1943, he formed the Indian National Army to liberate India. He inspired countless Indians to join the fight for independence. Under his leadership, the INA fought bravely against British forces, leaving an indelible mark on our history. Even today, Netaji's life serves as a reminder of the power of determination, courage, and selflessness. His efforts were crucial in shaping the India we live in today. His belief in the strength of youth and their ability to bring about change continues to inspire generations, including my own. While I may not be able to fully comprehend the extent of the sacrifices made by leaders like Netaji, I can certainly understand the importance of their actions. As young Indians, it is our responsibility to carry forward the values they uphold, values of strength, dedication, and unity. As we celebrate his birthday, let us remember that the true essence of freedom lies not just in independence, but also in empowering others and contributing to the growth and development of our society. Let us pledge to uphold the values he stood for and work towards building a stronger, more inclusive India. As Netaji said, remember the eternal law. You must give if you want to get. Thank you. Jai Hind.